Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm actually here to do a little show and tell today. I got this box from YouTube actually in May, like what was that, 6 months ago? And I haven't shown you because I wanted to get a second one for my videographer, and that has not happened, so I figured I would just do a little show and tell. You guys, I don't know if you know what this is, but this is my 100,000 subscriber plaque. And I've been saving it. So Devin, who films almost all of my YouTube channel, is gonna be in today for a lesson. So I brought this thing so I could open it up with them and we could look at it together. I'll show you something. Okay, I have been waiting for 6 months to show you this because I wanted to get a second one for you and it did not happen.
Oh,
but I wanted you to be the first person to show my YouTube plaque.
Hell yes. Oh my God, let's see this thing. Take this off.
It's still in its
package.
Hold on.
You got it?
Okay. Hold on. I gotta like get rid of this stuff. So I wanted you to see it first because you have contributed so much to the existence of this channel and this plaque.
Oh,
there you go.
Look at that. Selfie. It's so light.
It is light. It seems like, it looks like it's going to be super heavy, but it is.
They lied to me. I thought it'd be heavy.
Once showing the plaque to Devin, I noticed that there were some other people skating at the rink today that helped make this plaque happen. So I thought I would take this gorgeous plaque and share it with all of them as well. I want to show you something. I'm bringing this out to show it to all the people who are part of my channel. I got something really special. I got it 6 months ago and it's taken me forever to show anybody, but congratulations! Look at my girl! Look at my girl! She's famous! Oh my God.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm so proud of you.
You were in a bunch of my videos and you've helped me film, and so you're part of this.
Yeah, put that on my resume.
It is such an honor and a privilege to have gotten this plaque. It's been a lot of work. When I started the channel back in January of 2018, I just wanted a place where I could share what I loved. I love figure skating. I think it's an incredible sport. It's a very expensive sport though. As a kid who had to pay for all my own lessons, I know it can be not accessible for everyone. So by putting up these lessons online where you guys can watch them, it makes it a little bit more accessible for skaters around the world. And that was my dream. And it seems like it's been a success. We have 325 videos up so far. I've had 37 special guests on my channel, coaches and students and people helping me demonstrate things. With our holiday Christmas program, I've had 130 skaters from around the world take part in those Christmas videos, and we have another one coming up soon. We have had 11.8 million views on this channel, which is mind-blowing, and 645,000 watch hours. So it seems like figure skating has become a little bit more accessible. And I just want to say thank you to all of you for being part of this. You guys are really what got me this plaque. I worked super hard to put these videos out for you, but you guys loving what I do and watching what I do and subscribing is why this plaque exists. So thank you all so much. What is next for this channel? This year, I was able to launch the Coach Julia Club, which I was very excited about. If you haven't gone and checked it out, I encourage you to do so at coachjulia.club. So the club is where I can interact with you in a more personal way. I have structured levels, so you can start with level 1, where you're doing your very first steps out onto the ice, up through level 10, where you'd be doing double rotation jumps. So the Coach Julia Club launched this year. I'm very excited about it, and I have so many ideas for things I'm going to do next year to just grow it even more and make it more personal and more exciting for us to be able to connect together. We also have in-person skating clinics that I'm going to launch this winter. So starting this winter, I'm going to start traveling around the world and meeting you guys in person in skating clinics. And I'm so excited about that. So you can look for more information about that coming up through the Coach Julia channel. And of course, I'm going to keep putting my effort into making incredible videos for you. So if you have comments, if you have requests, if you have suggestions, leave them down below and I will check those out so I can make some videos based on your inspiration. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed being part of this plaque. I thank you so much for helping me make this happen. Make sure you click that like button, leave your comments below, and subscribe.